About 1 in 4 people on the planet live without access to electricity. As night falls, there are vast areas of the world which are left in total darkness, without a glimmer of light. Now, a rural electrification program in India and Tanzania is changing the lives of thousands of people in remote communities, delivering economic, social, and environmental progress. The Global Electrical Engineering Group, ABB, is working with local communities, NGOs, and state authorities to ensure long-term sustainable development. Electricity is quite literally the spark, the catalyst for change. Deep in the deserts of Rajasthan, in western India, where villagers struggle to make ends meet, solar-powered light is paving the way for a better and brighter future. ABB teamed up with the state authorities and a local NGO some 2 years ago to bring light to a remote hamlet. Now the project has spread to more than 1,000 homes in 11 villages, covering 7,000 people. The cost of installing solar light is shared equally between ABB, the NGO, and the householders. Electric light allows tailors and weavers to work in the cool of the early morning or late at night, avoiding searing daytime temperatures of up to 50 degrees Celsius. The weavers' productivity and incomes have risen by 50%. And tailors have also seen their incomes rise by up to 40%. One of the most dramatic improvements is at the local school, where teachers can now give classes after dark. The number of children attending this school has doubled. They can study more, and an increasing number are passing exams. In another project, in a remote part of southern Tanzania, an access to electricity program is also bringing economic, social, and environmental progress to the community. In 2005, ABB set up an electrical mini-grid in the village of Ngarambe on the edge of the Selous National Park. Working closely with the villagers and partnering with the authorities and the WWF, the Global Conservation Organization, the aim was to trigger sustainable development, with electricity as the agent of change. ABB provided the diesel-powered generator, which brings 4 hours of electricity to the village after nightfall. Villagers were trained to use and maintain the generator. ABB engineers installed the grid, laying underground cables and wiring up homes, the health clinic, the school, and shops. About 100 buildings are now linked to the mini-grid, double the number in 2005. At the health clinic, a doctor can now treat her patients day and night. She sees more than 20 patients a day, saving them a bumpy journey to the nearest town 2 hours away. 2 significant innovations in early 2010 are boosting incomes. An electric sunflower and sesame oil press now runs after dark. And further down the road, a small sawmill and wood factory is open day and night. It has 2 electrical machines and employs 30 people. A finished door sells for nearly 4 times as much as the logs used to make it. Logging in the area has dropped by 90%, easing pressure on the environment. At first, electricity was heavily subsidized, but as villagers' incomes gradually increase, they can afford to pay more and subsidies will drop away. The aim? For the grid to become self-sustaining. For the people of a desert community in Rajasthan and a remote area of southern Tanzania, ABB's Access to Electricity program has changed their lives, sustainably and long-term. It's a step-by-step approach, one village at a time. The potential is vast.